Good evening, everyone. I hope my voice is fine and I think we're good to go. My voice is fine. Yes, I think it's fine. So once again, a very good evening and welcome everyone to post-market analysis of the benchmark indices, Nifty, Sensex as well as Bank Nifty on the 8th of October. So another very interesting day in Nifty. Nifty in the daily time frame has formed kind of a bearish hammer, we can say, but not exactly closing at the day's low, but a bearish candle nonetheless, taking rejection again from 25,200. So in the beginning of the week we had discussed that this week Nifty is likely to trade between 25,200 and 24,700 is the low I expect. 700 to probably 600 even. So it is turning out to be so, and 25,050 is where we have closed today. Yes, we have managed to close above 25,000, and at no point in time today we did break 25,000. We did not break 25,000 today, and but the candle looks bearish and we might be heading down to another low of maybe 24,850 to 800 ranges by probably tomorrow or the day after even. And tomorrow we have Sensex expiry as well. So when we go to Sensex, we can also see a very similar pattern in Sensex as well. Sensex is down by 0.2 percentage, Nifty down by 0.25 percentage. The low in Sensex expected could be somewhere around 80,700 to 600 range. 600 to 700 range could be the low expected in Sensex, and 24,600 to 700 for Nifty. Today's outperformer was IT sector because TCS results is to be out by tomorrow, and because of the expectation the stock did rally. TCS rallied by almost 2%, and some of the IT giants did rally by almost 2.5% for Infi. And when we go look at TCS rallied by I think almost to 1.8%, and that's how we have finished. And Bank Nifty has formed kind of a doji, or we can say it's a spinning top. It's not an exactly doji, it's a spinning top. So either side, movement to either side of this candle could trigger further movement in that direction as well. So that's what we have in for Bank Nifty. Now FII history today. FIIs have bought shares worth 81 crore, very negligible, but at least they are not net sellers today. They are bullish in futures. FIs have sold calls and bought puts today. So they are bearish in options. They are very slightly bullish in futures, and they are net sellers in cash segment. Of course, for the past 1 year if we take, and even for the past month, see the selling has always been 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 crores, but the buying has come in 1,000 and less than 100 crores. So good evening, very good evening, Jacob sir. So that's how we have fared as far as the FIs are concerned. If we go look at the open interest data to understand where are we likely to trade between tomorrow. Tomorrow the option chain yesterday, which was looking kind of bullish with a PCR of 1.5, today looks bearish with a PCR of 0.6. So the data looks bearish, and we might be in for further downside rally tomorrow as well as the day after. And in SGX Nifty we have muted opening as indicated. We will have kind of a muted opening, and if that is the case, we will have a continuation of the rally we had today. So in the intraday chart today, I'll just go to the 5-minute chart. Yeah, physically also I'm not feeling that great, slight cold and all. Okay, so we had slight consolidation with the range bound movement with the bearish trend is what we have. And if we are to slide down further, we could be in for 24,860. Once we are below 25,000, 24,900 could be easily achievable is what we feel. Once we are below 25,000, 24,900 is kind of an easy target. Okay, so that's where we could be heading for tomorrow if we get continuation of a muted opening and continuation of today's rally. So the low of yesterday or today's low could be very crucial, which is 25,000, and today's high of 25,200 is also very crucial. Looking at the global markets, US is trading currently slightly in the green. US is trading higher. Europe is also trading higher. Everything looks higher. And the Japanese index as well as Asian markets are slightly mixed, flat to mixed. There are positives and negatives here and there. So, but the thing regarding Nifty is what we have noticed in the past, let's say some weeks or past 1 month, is that we are detached from the global cues. Whatever is happening across the global market is of a lesser concern to us, and we might not be tracking the global markets. Whatever happens in the US or Europe is of lesser significance compared to what we had in previous years. So we are following our own local cues and expecting good, kind of a weak results from IT. I don't know why they're still rallying. But we are expecting good results from banks that could be triggering the rally. So if at all we get good results from bank, that could trigger a rally to probably 25,500 or above. But before that, we might be sweeping up the liquidity in 24,700 to 800 ranges. So expect that to happen as well. So that's it for the post-market analysis of the benchmark indices. We had a quick and brief show today. I think that's enough, and it need not be said in very detail, but precise and concise report is what everyone is looking for, right? So I think this has served the purpose, and I do not have any overnight positions for tomorrow, and we'll take it up as and when things come. So till we meet again in tomorrow's live trading session, take care, Jai Hind, and goodbye.